Welcome to IGCSE ICT, Chapter 20 Data Analysis, Task 20D. Open the file sales.csv. This spreadsheet will be used to calculate bonus payments to sales staff for a small company. Name cell B1 unit, name cells A5 to C7 rate, name cells B11 to G18 sold. So basically in this particular task, we shall be learning how to name cells and a range of cells. So we'll begin by first opening the file specified sales.csv, and after opening the file, the next thing we have to do is to first name cell B1 unit. So we look for cell B1. This is cell B1. This is cell B1, and as you can see, that is the name in the name box. So for us to rename this particular cell, we have to right click on this particular cell and scroll down to define name. Right, good. Now here in the name, what we are going to give it is the name unit. As you can see here rightly, that it is unit with capital letter U. Alright, so we come over here and change to units. You may wish to type some comments just to remind yourself of what it describes. So, but for now, I will just keep it simple. Okay. Alright, now if I take my mouse over here and select this, you can see this is unit. Outside, it gives me the name of the active cell. So basically this one has been changed to units. Okay, let's move on. The next thing I'm going to do is to highlight A5 to C7 and give it the name rate. A5 to C7. This is A5 and this is C7. Okay, so this is C7, this is A5. So highlighting, I will click on A5, hold down the shift button and click at C7. So I have it highlighted and I am now going to rename it, define a name for it, and the name to be given to it is rates, as you can see here. So I'll give it a name, rates. Okay, keeping it simple. Alright, so you can see here it still remains C7, but as soon as I highlight the range, it gives me the name that I have changed it to. So the next thing I'm going to do is to highlight B11 to G18 and give it the name sold. B11 to G18. First, we have to look for B11. This is B11, and G18 should be somewhere here. As you can see, it's here. Okay, so B11, and hold down your shift key, then at G18 you click. Alright, now I'm going to give it a name, sold. Sold. Then keep it simple. Okay, now you can see the name has been changed to say sold. Okay, now at this point we are done with the task. What we did is that we basically give names to the various cells and cell ranges. So we are done with this particular task. So thanks for watching. See you in our next video. But before we continue, we are going to save it as task 20D. We shall save it as task 20D just for convenience, because we hope to be making reference to this particular task. So I'll be saving in my work area for easy trace. Alright, so task 20D. 20D. Alright, okay, that's 20D, that's CSV, and okay, yeah, yes, okay. So at this point I am done. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.